Good morning, April 28th, and we are once again diving into the depth of our own biology in the Eureka Effect segment. Today we'll talk about how the first hour of the day can become our chief physician, especially if the night was short. Our message of the day: let the first rays of the sun not just brighten your day, but repair your condition at the cellular level. Light is not just what we see, it is the fuel that charges our internal batteries. Being in resource means meeting the true light on time. What is the Eureka Effect here? Have you ever noticed that photographers love the golden hour? This time, the first hour after sunrise, for its soft shots. For our body, it's not just aesthetics, it's a biological detox. Unlike midday UV rays, morning near-infrared light is crucial for us. It penetrates through clothing and deep into tissues. It stimulates Mitochondrial Melatonin production, not for sleep, but as the most powerful antioxidant right inside the cells. It preps our skin and eyes for protection against the aggressive midday sun. Rescue strategy for sleep deprivation. Water instead of doping. Lack of sleep causes microswelling of the brain and dehydration. Our cells are like deflated balls. A glass of water in the morning literally expands our neurons, restoring mental speed faster than caffeine. Light shower. Go outside for 10-15 minutes. This light resets your cortisol timer. Even if it's cloudy, infrared rays pass through. It's the best natural antidepressant, stimulating serotonin with no side effects. How can we use this in life? Open windows. Window glass blocks most of the beneficial infrared spectrum. To recharge, step into the balcony or just open the window. Light and water. If you feel tired during the day, don't hide in the office. Just drink water by the window. This signals the body we are safe. There are enough resources and we still can work. Our energy is not magic. It's physics and chemistry that we can skillfully manage. Start your morning with pure light and pure water. Be bright inside and out. Next time we will look at the mirrored features of the morning technical inspection and find out what tasks the golden hour performs before sunset. Your Eureka Effect by Advance Embrace.